Hi everybody and Merry Christmas! This Christmas I got the Loops and Threads yarn ball winder. So I have attached the ball winder onto my table, and I will be making a yarn cake today. I have made a yarn cake for an example here. This was made by the Loops and Threads ball winder. It's in fact the only ball winder I have. I used bulky yarn for this one. You can use bulky yarn, thin yarn, whatever. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the yarn cake on the Loops and Threads ball winder. Today I'm just going to be using this red yarn, not red thread. So yeah. What I'm going to do first is unravel a whole bunch of this yarn, and I'll come back to you whenever I'm done unwrapping like a bunch of yarn out. So what you have is the main base and this coil thing down here, which when you crank the handle, it'll do that, and this part will move too. So I'll be showing you how to do, So find the end of your yarn and place it on the winder, and make sure not to get it in there. So once you've placed it in the winder, you need to go behind the winder. So I'm going behind, and I'm wrapping it around the coil twice. So once and twice, and that just makes it in there. Now all you want to do is crank the handle, and then it'll start wrapping the yarn into a yarn cake. So I got my yarn caught on something really quick. Okay, so I'm just pulling up some of the yarn. I'm just going to keep wrapping my yarn around the winder. It's getting a little high for my view here. Alright, I'm getting down to the very, very, very end, and I only have a couple more inches left, actually. The last of this skein goes into good use by the cake. There we go, we're done. See, that means it's done. So now I'm just gonna tuck it under one of these strands. And there we go. That's the whole yarn cake. Now let's pull it off. All you do is you detach it from this little notch right there. You can't really see it, but now let's take it off. This is the magical part. This is what I think is the magical part. Oh, look look at that. That is gorgeous. And that was all made by the Loops and Threads ball winder. That is amazing. I just love the looks of the ball winders and how it makes the cakes look so good. And yeah, so I hope that you guys like this video. And yeah, if you try this project out, please leave a like. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.